everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the HD 1080p web camera sold by Anwyke. I think that's how you say the name. First things I want to say is I'm going to hold this up to my head. It's not very big. It's very small, and the pictures that they have on their Amazon page definitely make it look a lot bigger. The first picture they have with the USB port makes it look about right, or like is pretty like accurate. But then you go and scroll down and you look at this picture, and there's this dude who has this camera above their computer screen, their monitor, and it's like the size of their monitor. And so I was like, oh, it must be a decent size then. No, they must have the world's smallest monitor, because this thing's like, has the specs on the side. Oh, you can't read that. Oh, there you go. Kind of. It doesn't even have the size on the side. Anyway, I bet I could find it online. Let's do a quick scroll through the Amazon page. I can't find it. Oh wait, the package is 5.8 long, 3.4 tall, and 1 inch thick. First of all, that looks thicker than an inch. Maybe it's a little about an inch. Anyway, let's get to opening this box up. So let's give this camera a good slide in front of me, just so that I can do this. And let me grab my knife sec. Don't destroy this box, because I might need to return it if it doesn't work, because we don't know. So let's pop this bad boy open and make sure it's centered on the camera, because yeah. Anyway, so let's open this bad boy up. Got an instruction manual. Don't need those. What is this? It passed its qualification, or the certificate of qualification. It passed the test. Oops, I'm not even holding that over the camera. Passed the test, so it's a good sign. So first thoughts on opening the box. It's even smaller than we originally thought. But that doesn't mean the camera quality isn't good. So inside we have the USB cord. Does kind of look a little short, not gonna lie. Let me unscrew it, or undo it real quick. Oh, it's a decent size. This might reach. No, that's gonna reach. We're good. It's not that short. It's probably mentioned on the website, so check the website. But here's the camera. So this is what it looks like. It does look like it has a little piece of plastic over this lens to protect it. So I'm going to pull that off real quick. Oh, that's so satisfying. Love that. So I'm going to try to get a good close-up for you guys. It's not the greatest quality, I know. But basically, there's two holes on it. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm like looking at my recording, and it's not really showing up very well. And then there's this little bar on the bottom, and so that's what you use to keep it on, or keep it lined up. There's a little bar on the bottom of this. And then there's this thing right here. So you put those up against the TV or your monitor, and that's how you get your webcam. Or get it to stay in position. So I'm gonna set this up real quick and pause you guys. Also, I just wanted to add real quick that I use this adapter with my camera and microphone. And during recording, I didn't notice this until afterwards. I had the camera plugged in here and the microphone plugged in, and it caused the audio, or not the audio, the audio, it caused the audio to be a little staticky, and the camera freezes a little bit. That's not the camera causing that. That's actually this adapter right here. So don't worry about the camera freezing. That's nothing to do with the camera. That's all my problem. It looks good. Okay, so it's all set up. Hello world. I can actually put this down now. So we're not going to need that. You guys get to see black screen there. Actually, I'm just going to put my face on the screen then. You guys are going to get to look at me. Hello. So my overall thoughts, I'm just going to drag this onto my main screen so that I can be looking at it and looking at you guys. My hair looks weird. It's quarantine. Haven't gotten a haircut in a while. It's weird because my phone doesn't mirror until after I finish recording. It flips it. But then this is already mirrored, so I'm seeing the finalized picture. It's weird. Anyway, hello mirror. Oh wait, hello mirror. All right, this is my fridge. Wait, my fridge. And yes. So my overall thoughts. The quality doesn't seem 1080p. Gonna be honest with you guys. It doesn't look 1080p to me. Maybe if I hold it up to a 1080p picture, I'll actually be able to tell. 1080p picture. I'm gonna put this next to your guys's, or put it next to my camera so you guys see what my camera is. I don't even know what's an iPhone front-facing camera. Overall rankings, looks wise, it's small. I like that it's compact and that I'm not like noticing it. I'm like looking at both cameras because I don't know which. They're both gonna be on there, so I'm just gonna be looking at both. Anyway, I use my hands a lot too. I like that it's small. Here, wait, I'm gonna actually flip this bad boy. So this is big moves. So now you get to see my phone too. I got a cute little meme on the back of my phone, kind of. Oh, it's back. Wait, no, you can read it. Reach for this. Just kidding. It's a dinosaur. Anyway, so you can see it's pretty small. I do like that. It has annoying blue light though staring at you this entire time. Wait a second. Can I properties? I was gonna say, can I turn off that blue light maybe, but I'm not seeing anything. Wait, set color. Red? What's that do? Oh, that just changes the thing that way. Anyway, I'm not seeing how to turn that light off. Maybe that's, I feel like that might be what's causing this weird like tint. I feel like there's like a weird filter being put on my thing. I don't know. But anyway, it's small. It's very small. Like this is my finger. I like that. It looks nice. It's just straight black. It got a nice color to it. I'm trying not to show too much of my house. I don't know why I did that. It has a nice color to it. Overall, I'd give it a 7 out of 10 ranking. I don't even remember. What did I give the microphone? This microphone has been great. Oh, that boom stands me. No, it didn't come with it. The microphone I gave out a 9.5. I actually love that thing. I had a couple problems with it, but I've solved all of them. Like, first of all, I'm using a card table right now because it's my temporary place of living, and it echoed tons of sound through it, so I had to get a boom stand, but I already owned one, so that was fine. So if I gave that a 9.5, this is getting like a 6. Maybe a 5.5, 6. Looks is like all the positive I'm getting from it right now. It looks small, it's nice. I don't like being deceived, and the pictures I was seeing on this Amazon page were very deceiving. I mean, look at this thing. Where is it? Not that one. That one actually makes it look legit. This one right here. Like, that thing looks huge on their monitor. That is a straight up TV. That is not a monitor. And, like, that thing takes up, like, half their screen. I mean, I should have known someone was up. That's not even, like, aligned with the freaking TV. These are both MacBooks, and they both look different sizes. Or MacBooks, Macs. I don't know. Those kids are really enjoying this. It's supposed to be clear and crystal. My video does not look like that. So either I'm doing something wrong, or, I mean, I am using a Mac, so, just kidding. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? But yes, I give it, so looks-wise, it works. Other than that, yeah. 6.5 final answer. 6.5 rating. I just don't like how the picture turned out. It could have been so much better, and it's not. It's not 1080p. That's the big thing for me, and I feel like part of me wants to return this and see if I can find a 1080p one for an actual good price. Part of me just wants to hold on to it because I don't need to spend a ton of money. Maybe I'll do some more research, see if I can find a cheaper one. An actual 1080p one. And then I'll do another unboxing video. So, thank you all so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. And until next time, I'll see y'all later.